Good morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about previous questions for GATE examination. Engineering Mathematics for GATE. So topic is vector differential operators. The last year 2019 EC branch. So what the question in vector differential operator? If the vector function f is equal to ax bar 3y minus k1z plus ay bar of k2x minus 2z plus a3z bar k3y plus z is an irrotational vector, then the values of k1, k2, k3 and similar case of the angle between 2, 6, 14 capital T means transpose only x2 bar is equal to minus 2, 8, 16. This is again a capital T. Is radius. Only we are finding a two vectors as given. We can find a angle between two vectors only. You see, it is nothing but again in 2017 GATE examination. It is different branch only. Right? Coming to the how we can solve the problem of the first one. Solution. It's very simple only. Is an irrotational and F is an irrotational. If and only if del cross f is equal to 0. Del cross f is equal to 0 bar only. That implies what is the meaning here? I j k dou by dou x I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. What is f1? F1 means 3y minus k1z. F2 means k2x minus 2z. F3 means minus k3y minus z only. This is the value of this. The value becomes 0 only. So we expand this one. We are getting what are the values of k1, k2, k3. Implies I times of I into dou by dou y of means this is a y is constant only, the variable only, that is constant. That means what we are getting minus k3 and the dou by dou z of that means here minus of minus plus 2 minus j times of what about this one dou by dou x of this one only completely 0 minus what about this one it is minus of minus plus k1 plus the last value is here k times of what about this one dou by dou x of this was k2 another is this one is so plus minus 3 only is equal to 0 only. That is what we are getting, this I bar, j bar and k bar. The I into this one, j into this one, k into this one implies what about this one k1 becomes 0 and k2 is 3 and k3 is 2 only. So what are the values of 0, 3, 2 is the value of the solution of this problem only. This is 2 marks question for in 2019 GATE examination EC branch, right? Thank you. So second one is angle between two vectors. So angle between two vectors means cos theta is equal to what is the formula? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square under root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square under root only. So this is the angle only. This is what is the A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. So A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. So A1 square plus A2 square, not A2 square plus, sorry. So cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square under root. So A1 A2 means 2 into minus 12 plus 2 is 6 into 8 plus 14 into 16 by here 2 square is 4 plus 6 square 36 plus 40 square 196 under root and 12 square 144 plus here 64 plus 256. This is the value only, right? So you can simplify this one, minus 24 plus 48 plus 224 by adding this one 236 under root of 464 only. So simply is known as the final value is 248 because of 24 is there, 248 by 236 into 464 only. This is equal to, so take 4 is common and 4 is common, and that is immediately, you can simplify this. This is 62 by 59 into 116. So under root, this is simply known as 0.75 is the final answer for this question only. Therefore theta equals to cos inverse of 0.75 is the final answer for this question only. So third question is f is equal to 2yzi plus 3yzj plus 4xyk, then del dot del cross f is equal to. So what is the value? Here f is any vector point function. Already we have proved del dot del cross f. That is div. We have div curl f is always 0 only. Div curl f is always 0. Why? F is always a vector point function only. Here f is a vector point function. Therefore, del dot del cross f is equal to 0. The final value is 0. This is a 2017 mechanical engineering 1 mark question only. This is the end of this answer only. Only this problem is depending on the result only. That is div curl f is always 0 bar. Curl f is always solenoidal vector only. Second one, the divergence of this one only. Divergence means, so del dot f only. F is, this is f only. It's nothing but f only. Del dot f means, it's a simple definition is dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z only. So what is f1? Dou by dou x of f1 is minus y plus dou by dou y of f2 means x plus dou by dou z of f3, there is no this z means 0 only. So therefore dou by dou x of with respect to y, with respect to x of function y is 0, is also 0. The whole value is 0 plus 0 plus 0. The final value is 0. This is value 0. Again in 2017 another branch question only. This is divergence of this vector is always 0 only. Therefore this is called again a solenoidal vector only. So here in this case r bar is given and is nothing but a position vector and r bar into this one. Simply known as small r is equal to modulus of r means x square plus y square plus z square under root only. Implies small r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square under root. This is nothing but 1 only. So therefore partially differentiating with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z means dou r by dou x means x by r, dou r by dou y means y by r, dou r by dou z means z by r only. So these are the values you know from this one only. So now coming to this one, divergence of this one only. First of all, del of 1 log r. So del of log r only. Log r bar only. This is nothing but I dou by dou x of log r plus j dou by dou y of log r plus k dou by dou z of log r. This is nothing but a gradient of this function only. Gradient of this function only. Log r means 1 by r. So 1 by r is common term. So what about this? Dou r by dou x. So I dou r by dou x plus j dou r by dou y plus k dou r by dou z only. Right? Because so dou by dou x of log r, 1 by r dou r by dou x, 1 by r dou r by dou y, 1 by r dou r by dou, 1 by r is common for all. That is dou r by dou x means x by r, dou r by dou means y by r, dou r by dou z by r. That is 1 by r into xi plus yj plus zk by r only. So what is the value? Final value is this is r bar by r square only. So therefore del of log r is nothing but r bar by r square only. So now the ultimate value is r square of div of r square of log of r. So div of this is the this bracket value del of log r. Del of log r, how much the value? R bar by r square only. That is div of r square is common. So this value is nothing but r bar by small r square only, right? So r square, this value cancel. That is div of r bar. Div of r bar means r bar always say r bar. What is r bar? R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Xi plus yj plus zk. That is what happens. This is dou by dou x of first function x plus dou y of second function y plus dou z of third function z only. So this derivative is 1 plus 1 plus 1. This value is 3. This value is 3 only. Therefore, this problem for 2 marks question. This problem is 2 marks question. That is del of r square del of log r is equal to what is the value? Ultimate value 3 only. So these are the solution for the problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. These models is repeatedly asking for GATE examination point of view. So thank you very much for good listening. Thank you.